Kid Buddies!
Hello kids, come and see color shapes with you and me, with KoKo Zuzu Bunny too. Let's learn colors, me and you. Red, 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 so bright. Circle, circle, round and nice. Red circle, spin around. Rolling, rolling on the ground. Blue, blue, sky so fair. Square, square, four sides there. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Blue square is my favorite. Yellow, yellow, shining sun. Triangle, triangle, 3 sides fun. Pointy top and 2 below. Triangle, triangle, here we go. Green, green, like the tree. Rectangle, come and see. Long and long, short and short. Rectangle is super cool. Red circle, blue square. Yellow triangle everywhere. Green rectangle, purple star. Now we know our colors all.
Had fun? Give a like and subscribe to your new friends at Kid Buddies!